Sorrel, a delightful and tangy herb, is renowned for its unique taste and various culinary uses. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice with a green thumb, cultivating sorrel in your garden can be a rewarding experience. This video will provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to grow sorrel successfully, from selecting the right variety to maintaining optimal growing conditions. Choosing the right variety. Sorrel comes in different varieties, each with its distinct characteristics. The two most common types are garden sorrel, Rumex acetosa, and French sorrel, Rumex scutatus. Garden sorrel has larger leaves and a more pronounced tangy flavor, while French sorrel has smaller, milder leaves. Consider your preferences and intended culinary use when selecting the variety that suits your needs. Soil preparation. Sorrel prefers fertile, loamy soil with a pH range of 6.0 to 7.0. Before planting, prepare the soil by removing any weeds, rocks, or debris. Ensure the soil is well drained to prevent waterlogged conditions. Planting sorrel. Sorrel can be grown from seeds or transplants. If using seeds, sow them directly into the prepared soil in early spring or late summer, as they prefer cooler temperatures. Lightly cover the seeds with soil, keeping them approximately 1/4 inch deep. Space the seeds or transplants about 12 inches apart to allow sufficient room for growth. Watering and fertilizing. Keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged during the growing season. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering should be avoided, as it can lead to fungal diseases. Weed control and mulching. Regularly inspect your sorrel patch for weeds and remove them promptly. Weeds compete for nutrients and moisture, potentially impacting the growth of your sorrel plants. Mulching around the base of the plants with organic materials, such as straw or wood chips, can help suppress weed growth, conserve soil moisture, and regulate soil temperature. Pruning and harvesting. Sorrel leaves can be harvested when they reach a suitable size, usually around 6 to 8 inches in length. Avoid harvesting more than 1/3 of the plant at a time, as this allows the plant to recover and continue growing. Regularly pinch off any flower stalks that appear to encourage leaf production. Pests and diseases. Sorrel is generally resistant to pests and diseases. However, occasional issues may arise, such as aphids or powdery mildew. Monitor your plants regularly. Organic pest control methods, such as spraying a mixture of neem oil and water, can help combat common issues. Winter care. In regions with harsh winters, sorrel plants may die back or go dormant. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plants before winter to protect the roots from freezing temperatures. In milder climates, sorrel may continue growing during the winter, providing fresh greens throughout the season. Growing sorrel in your garden can be a delightful and flavorful addition. By following the steps outlined in this comprehensive guide, you will be equipped with the knowledge and techniques necessary to cultivate healthy sorrel plants. Enjoy the tangy leaves in salads, soups, sauces, and various other culinary creations while relishing the satisfaction of growing your own herb garden.